66 million years ago, Earth was a thriving paradise ruled by giants. A massive Tyrannosaurus rex drinks peacefully, unaware that absolute doom approaches from space. Herds of triceratops graze across vast floodplains, under a calm, bright blue sky. High overhead, a giant Quetzalcoatlus glides effortlessly on warm atmospheric currents. But far above the atmosphere, a cosmic killer is hurtling toward Earth at terrifying speeds. 10 kilometers wide, larger than Mount Everest, traveling at 20 kilometers per second, at 70,000 kilometers per hour. There will be zero warning for the life below. For 150 million years, dinosaurs ruled, but their reign ends today. At 8 a.m., the asteroid punches into Earth's upper atmosphere. The air compresses violently, heating to thousands of degrees before it even hits the ground. Impact. The asteroid slams into the shallow waters of the Yucatan Peninsula. In a microsecond, the asteroid and billions of tons of seabed instantly vaporize. The energy released equals 100 million megatons of TNT. A crater 20 kilometers deep opens up in less than 3 seconds. Anything within 1,000 kilometers is vaporized in a fraction of a second. Searing light, brighter than 100 suns, burns the landscape to ash. Trillions of tons of molten rock and glass are shot directly into Earth's orbit. The impact punches a massive hole through the atmosphere, exposing raw space. Shockwaves travel straight through the core, fracturing bedrock thousands of miles away. 5 minutes post-impact, North America is a burning, silent graveyard. A supersonic blast wave expands outward, traveling at 15 times the speed of sound. Winds blowing at over 1,000 kilometers per hour sweep across the land. Centuries-old trees are snapped like toothpicks under 300-degree air pressure. Herds of fleeing dinosaurs are swept up like dust particles in the hurricane blast. Simultaneously, the most violent earthquake in Earth's history shakes the globe. Seismic energy turns solid ground into bubbling mud pits across continents. Volcanoes worldwide erupt simultaneously as shock waves rupture magma chambers. 30 minutes in, the entire continent is a flattened, burning nightmare. High in space, ejected molten rock cools into trillions of glass tektites. Gravity pulls the debris back, hurtling toward the atmosphere at extreme speed. 1 hour post-impact, the sky begins to rain glowing white-hot glass beads. The sky turns a terrifying, glowing, incandescent orange-red. Friction turns the atmosphere into a giant commercial pizza oven. Ground temperatures spike to over 200 degrees Celsius. Animals burn where they stand, as the very air bakes their lungs. Trees and plants everywhere burst into flames spontaneously. 2 hours in, massive firestorms rage across every single continent. Billions of tons of black soot billow into the upper stratosphere. Half of Earth's forests are burning at the exact same time. While the land burns, the oceans prepare to unleash their own horrors. The displaced ocean creates a ring of colossal mega-tsunamis, 300 meters tall, moving at the speed of a jet airliner. The tsunami slams inland, scouring the land straight down to bare bedrock. Giant mosasaurs and plesiosaurs are swept miles inland by the wave. Sea creatures and dinosaurs are buried together under tons of ocean mud. 3,000 kilometers away, rivers surge back and forth violently. Fish are choked by glass beads and buried instantly in river sludge. 5 hours post-impact, tsunami waves bounce back, smashing coasts again. Every river and lake is now a soup of toxic ash and salt water. By hour 8, a silent chemical killer takes over the atmosphere. The seabed was full of gypsum, releasing billions of tons of sulfur into the air. Deadly sulfuric acid rain begins falling across the globe. The acid rain burns survivors' skin and strips remaining foliage off trees. The upper oceans turn toxic, wiping out microscopic plankton. Without plankton, the entire marine food chain collapses instantly. The sky turns a sickly, toxic shade of yellow-gray. Carbon monoxide fills every breath, burning dinosaur lungs with every gasp. 12 hours post-impact. It should be noon, but pitch darkness envelops Earth, a blanket of soot and dust, blocks 99% of all sunlight. Global photosynthesis stops completely. Dying plants leave herbivores helpless. Without sunlight, Earth's temperatures plunge dramatically. In just 12 hours, Earth goes from a furnace to a freezing tundra. 15 hours in, herbivores search for food in vain across ash dunes. A giant herbivore needs tons of greenery daily. There is none left. Carnivores scavenge on fallen carcasses, but their time is running out too. 18 hours in, official night falls over a dead world. The sun will not rise tomorrow, or for the next 10 years. The dreaded impact winter has officially seized the planet. Tropical zones drop below freezing. Giant dinosaurs have no fur to stay warm. In the dark cold, small feathered dinosaurs have a vital advantage. Deep underground, small burrowing mammals huddle safely in burrows. Soil acts as insulation, protecting them from heat and acid rain. Frozen lake ice protects freshwater turtles beneath the surface. 21 hours post-impact, firestorms fade into eerie, dead silence. The giant dinosaurs are trapped in a world that can no longer feed them. Their massive size, once their ultimate power, is now their death sentence. Only animals weighing under 25 kilos stand a chance at surviving. 24 hours post-impact, Earth completes one full rotation. In just 24 hours, a 150 million year paradise became a global tomb. 75% of all species are wiped from the tree of life. In the months that followed, pitch darkness and freezing cold prevailed. The food chain crumbled, leaving skeletons half covered in gray snow. The mighty flying pterosaurs vanished from the skies forever. The ocean kings joined the dead in the abyssal ocean depths. Yet, life refused to be completely extinguished. Fern, spores, and buried seeds waited patiently beneath the ash for light. Small, furred mammals crawled out into the quiet new world. Without predators to hunt them, the age of mammals was born. Small feathered dinosaurs survived, becoming modern birds. Today, over 10,000 bird species remind us dinosaurs never truly left. 10,000 years later, forests reclaimed Earth's surface. Today, Chicxulub lies buried beneath Mexican cenotes and ocean mud. It remains a reminder of how fragile life on Earth truly is. Descendants of those small mammals built telescopes to watch the cosmos. Humanity decoded rocks to piece together that fateful day. Could humanity survive if a similar asteroid struck Earth today? If you enjoyed this 25-minute journey, smash that like button. Subscribe for more epic, prehistoric documentaries and deep-time history. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which dinosaur do you feel most sorry for? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next epic adventure.